Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about our project. Our project is Smart Pen Monitoring with ESP8266 and Telegram. Concept overview. Our project presents a smart pen monitoring system built using the ESP8266 microcontroller. It automates soil moisture monitoring and controls our water pump accordingly. The system is enhanced with Telegram bot integration, allowing user to monitor, control and interact with the system remotely via a smartphone. So the system mode, the first is automatic mode. The waters the pan automatically based on soil moisture level and the water availability in the tank. Prevents water if the tank is empty. Run sensor check periodically every few seconds. The command order system decides when the water based on sensor data. The second is manual mode. User manually triggers watering by sending a command via Telegram. Specified during between 5 to 30 seconds. Includes safety check will not activate pump with if the tank is empty. Command water seconds. Example water 10 is mean waters for 10 seconds. A switch the manual mode using manual. So we're gonna to talk about the circuit components. The first is Arduino Wi-Fi module ESP8266 used for Wi-Fi connection, receiving code, and controlling other modules. Two is moisture sensor used for detecting soil moisture. Three is relay module used for controlling the on and off operation of water pumps. Four is non-contact liquid water. We use for checking if there is water or not in the tank. The fifth is mini water pump DC and small hose. We use for pumping water to water plants. And the last one is Arduino R3. We use for supplying the extra electricity as the ESP8266 cannot provide enough power.
Code description. We use C++ language. The first one, library. This is the library of board ESP8266. And this is the library of Wi-Fi client. And this too is about the library of Telegram bot. For Wi-Fi and Telegram bot Siit, this was the username of Wi-Fi that we want to connect and password solve. And this is the bot token of Telegram bot that we create and chat ID of it. Pin. We set relay pin at D5 and set water sensor pin at D6 and set soil moisture pin at A0. Variable. Water sensor state equals 0 or low and moisture level equals 0. It will receive the variable from moisture sensor again. And moisture threshold equals 500. This variable will be compared with moisture level. Pump state equals false and automatic mode equal to mean the starter mode is automatic. And this is about a CQ client. This about Wi-Fi client and this about bot Telegram client. This is the all forecast that we use. We will see detail after. One setup. The serial is speaking at 115.200 and the serial bit ESP8266 system start. Set pin relay pin equal output and water sensor pin is input. Digital line relay pin equal high that is off because relay is low active. This is about the Wi-Fi connecting. It's speaking with username and password of Wi-Fi. It will be connecting to Wi-Fi and while the Wi-Fi is not connecting, it will be dot. And if out of the Y or the Wi-Fi already connected, it will be Wi-Fi connect successfully and bit the IP address. This is the client to set in CQ. If we already connect the Wi-Fi, the bot will send this message to Telegram. And this is the command. The loop. The loop is for checking Wi-Fi, and this is for checking the message from from Telegram that we set to bot. This is for checking the sensor. This is for if the Wi-Fi is disconnected. This check Wi-Fi connection function will run. This if the Wi-Fi already reconnected. And this handle new message function is about the message that we try to bot, and this for the receive bot back to the code. And this is the start command. The start command is for to see all command that we can use. And this is about the status command. And this is about the water command. If we try to read water, it will set watering for 5 seconds. And we can watering about 1 second to 30 seconds only. This is about the water sensor. The water sensor equal low beat. The water sensor is the low active. That means if equal low, it will be turned on. If we turn on, it will watering like this. But if equal high, that means don't have water. We will show this message. And this is about the auto command. If we auto, the auto mode will be quick to. And manual command. If we try manual, the automatic mode will be equal from. And the turn pump off. About the threshold command. This is about the receive the value behind the threshold. And we set the threshold only 0 to 1026. If we type threshold and value, it will change the threshold like this. But if we try more than 1023 or less than, it will be unvalid value. Or we try only threshold, this will be specify a value. Or if we try another command that it don't know, it will want me to try start to see the command that we can run. This is about the status update. The status update about the water sensor, noise level, and pump state. This is about the if water sensor is low, is have available or empty, and what mode is it. This is about the change the noise level to be the percent. And this is the status percent. Like this. And this about the check sensor. We have two sensors that mean water sensor and noise sensor. So if we run the program, it will show the noise sensor that is check and the water sensor if you check if have or not have water. This is about the automatic mode. If automatic mode and the water sensor equal low and moist level more than moist threshold, it will send soil to die and it will make relay open and pump state open. But if the moist level less than, the relay will off and pump will off. Now if the pump is on but the water don't have, it will make relay off and pump off. This is about when on the manual mode. So this is about the turn pump off. If the relay is on or low, the pump equal to delay is mean the duration of watering. If delay is off, the relay will be off or high and pump state will equal false and sends this message. And about the turn pump off, if the pump is on, it will do relay off and pump state off, and we say pump turn off. About the credit. First one is about the YouTube that show the watering can by only moist sensor and water sensor. But we add more. It is about how can I connect Telegram to Arduino, what code should we need, how can I create the bot. It is about how to install the ESP8266 bot into the code, how can I run the driver, or how can I install the library. And this is the AI that we use for helping about code.
So the next one is my own contribution. The first is idea of designing and adding manual and automatic watering modes to make the system more flexible. This helps users choose the best way to water different kinds of plants. Some plants may need regular watering, while others may need more control from the user. And the second is idea of connecting the system with Telegram, so the user can check the soil moisture, water tank level, and control the water pump using their phones. This makes it easy to take care of plants even when they are not at home.
Next, I will show how it works. First, when you run the code, it will connect to the Wi-Fi. And in the serial monitor, it will show about the soil moisture and the water tank. The water tank is empty because I didn't put the water sensor into the water. And about the telegram, when you connect it, it will show the command that you can use. It have the two modes that have auto and manual. It starts with the auto mode. If you type the status, you can see the system status. Show about soil moisture, water tank, mode, pump, and threshold. So about the auto mode, it will use the soil moisture and water in the tank. So if I set the threshold to be 410, and if I put the water sensor into the water, you can see the water tank is available and the threshold is less than. Then the pump it will turn it and it will watering the plant. So we check the status again. So we can see the soil moisture is less than the threshold, so the pump is turned off automatic. And next about the manual mode. About the manual mode, it will check only the water in the tank. So if I put the water sensor out, and at the manual mode, we use the water command to water the plant. I put the value to be a second. So I say water 3 seconds. It will say cannot water because the tank is empty. It doesn't have water. But if I put the water sensor in and I set the threshold to be 100, check the status. So in the manual mode, if the moisture is more than the threshold, the water will not watering automatic. It will watering by the water command only. So so it show the water is available. So I will watering 2 seconds. We can see it will watering for 2 seconds. Then it will watering complete and turn the pump off. These are all of my functions. Thanks.